All right, so if Perplexity AI search is not loading, maybe it's stuck, blank, or just keeps spinning. Yeah, that can be frustrating. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, quick idea. This usually happens because of slow internet, browser issues, cache problems, or sometimes server overload. Start simple. Check your internet. If your connection is weak or unstable, search results may not load. Next, refresh the page or try searching again. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. If it's still not loading, clear your browser cache and cookies. This fixes most loading issues. If you're using a VPN or browser extensions, turn them off. They can block or slow down search requests. Try switching to another browser or device, just to check if the issue is coming from your setup. Log out of your account and log back in. This can fix session-related issues. Make sure your app or browser is updated. Older versions can cause loading problems, and sometimes it's not you. If Perplexity servers are busy or down, search may not load at all. So, yeah, search loading issues are usually simple to fix. Just go step by step and you should be back to normal pretty quickly. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more quick fixes coming soon.